Hello guys, my name is Alejandro Garcia and I major in film and minor in computer information systems. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to use the transpose function in Excel. Transpose function basically moves the columns to rows and rows to columns. So let's just get into it. We need to know, first of all, how many rows, we can see there's 12 rows, and columns there are to make the other table. So I'm just gonna left click, hold it down, and go all the way to the end of the table here to column DC. I'm still left clicking and you can see it says 12R times 107C. That's 12 rows and 107 columns. So we're just gonna go back and we're going to go to A16 and we're going to go down 107 rows as opposed to columns in that other one, and we're going to go across 12 columns. It's the exact opposite of what we just highlighted. So we're just going to go back up and we're going to put equals to transpose. You can type this out or click it. It really doesn't make a difference. I'm just going to type it out. Transpose, open parentheses, and there it says array. The table would be the array. So we're just going to highlight the whole thing again. Again, left click all the way to the end to DC. There it is, DC 12R 100C again. Just going to go back. There it is, A1 to DC12. Close parentheses, and we're going to hold down the shift and then the control key at the same time, then press enter. Now you can see that the zip, type, primary, city, etc. are the column headers for row 16 instead of going down column A. So now we're going to go from H zip code sheet to the T2 sheet. And we're going to do the same exact thing here. We're going to go down 107 rows and go across 12 columns. And then we're going to do the same thing. Equals transpose. This time, I'm just going to click it because, again, it's the same thing. I'm going to go to H zip code. I could highlight it again, but we already saw that method, so I'm just going to show you guys that we can just type it in up here in the formula bar, DC12, close parentheses, and again, shift, control, and then enter. And then you see here, it's the same exact table. Some of it is different because the words don't fit. On the H zip code, all the words fit, and that's an easy fix. That's not a big deal. We just go to the border of F and G or G and H, and then we double click it. K and L, double click it. E and F, double click it. No big deal. And then everything fits. Now we're going to go to the final sheet, T3. This is going to be much less steps. We're not going to highlight anything. We don't need to know how many rows or anything. But we will highlight it again. Highlight the original table. We're not going to highlight anything to tell Excel where the table is going to go. So we're going to highlight. Now we're going to left click. And then we're going to copy. You can just press C, same thing. Then go back to T3. And then left click again, and then it's there. It's the fourth option on paste options, but we're going to go to paste special, and it's the last option in the paste header. It says transpose. If you put your mouse over it, we're just going to click that, and there's the table right there. And you can see again, it doesn't fit, not a big deal. Just double click where you need to double click. And you can see that on this table, the phone county is in green. T2 was not in green. The other one wasn't in green. We're just gonna hit escape here. But the original table was in green. So the equals transpose did not make it green, but the copy and paste did. So less steps and more output. Now that's complete. Talking about completion, I didn't feel complete my whole life. Then I met my girlfriend. Now I'm finished.